Hi guys, welcome to our channel AHC Clay Collections. Today I'm going to show you how I made these golden pothos earrings. Materials we need: polymer clay, I took light green and yellow colors, little heart cutters, paintbrush, pan pastel, an acrylic roller, slicer blade, earring findings like ball post studs, chains or jump rings, pliers, and for drilling holes we need a hand drill or rotary tool. I forgot to record, we need leaf veiner. Roll each clay into long logs. Arrange these logs side by side and twist them in this manner to make a new log. Roll it again into a long, thinner log. Bend it at the center and twist it and roll it further. Repeat the same steps. This is to get two colored clays to show up side by side in the marble pattern. Repeat the same steps. Roll the clay together to form a block. Slice this block into small layers with equal thickness. Arrange these sliced layers side by side in this way. Flatten it with a roller. I ran this sheet in a pasta machine to make it thinner and uniform. See how both colors are distributed in this sheet. Now I am cutting this using little heart-shaped clay cutters. I dipped my cutters into the water before cutting the clay. It prevents the clay from sticking to the cutters. I am using two cutter sizes. Peel the excess clay. I am removing the excess water using tissues. So this is the leaf veiner. It is made of silicone. It is a non-stick material. Put the clay in one side near the corner and press in this way. It will imprint the leaf texture. Gently remove the clay from the mold. Slightly shape the corner of each leaf like this. Repeat the same steps. So each leaf was textured. These look nice. Now to make them more realistic, I'm using pan pastel colors. We can use any soft chalk pastels also. Brush the color on every leaf. I'm slightly brushing it over the edge of each leaf. Now you can see the difference. These look realistic. Bake as per instructions given on your polymer clay brand. These are the baked leaves. To drill holes, I'm using a rotary tool. We can use this hand drill also. You can also keep holes before baking to avoid this drilling. Here is the earring made by using a chain. It is more random, I liked it, but the leaves keep turning in different directions. If you like it in this way, you can use chain. But I want it differently, so I'll be using jump rings only. I'm using 4 bigger jump rings, 5 smaller jump rings to join 2 bigger and 3 small leaves. First take one jump ring, open it and add one ball post stud finding and one bigger leaf and close it. I like to use flat chain nose plier and bent chain nose plier for assembling. Now open the second jump ring and add the third jump ring to it and add this to the back side of the earlier leaf. And add a second leaf to it. Repeat the same steps by adding more jump rings and leaves. So all jump rings will form a chain backside of each leaf. Repeat the same steps by adding more jump rings and leaves. Add a single smaller leaf to the last jump ring. We can add beads and small flowers also if we wish. Here are the final earrings. These are extremely lightweight also. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more content like this.